Alright, today we're going to be finishing up the ball joints on this. Just put the lift kit in. So, but I was just waiting on ball joints to arrive. As you can see, it's so much play, and these ball joints are pretty well shot. They're a long ways past shot anyways. But I'm going to change these ball joints, put the diff in, and just tie up the rest of the front end stuff anyways. But I'll just take this back apart. I didn't really put it together too much. And then start putting the ball joints in. I just got this ball joint kit off Amazon. I'll put the link in the bio. It was about 200 bucks. Pretty reasonable for, don't want to put too much, there's nothing too special in this truck, so they just press in. Just loosened off the steering box just so we can drop it down. It makes it a lot easier to be able to put the puller on here and get this apart. Your tire ends just thread into your steering shaft, so just unthread them. Alright, so I'm gonna pull the knuckle out, and I also gonna take the wheel bearing off. I put this in the wrong spot. Gonna move it up here anyway, so just make it lighter to take it off. So. So I got the diff installed, put the CV axles in on the new ball joints. So it's pretty much ready to lower down and tighten everything up. I still got to do the back lift, but I need to get new U-bolts for that, and then can install the wheels and tires and try it out. Thanks for watching.